Now, sources have told NDTV that a letter asking the Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister to appear for questioning in an investigation into alleged attempts to destabilize the state government is believed to have pushed the Congress crisis to the brink. Sachin Pilot on Friday was summoned by Rajasthan's anti-terror squad and the Special Operations Group to appear for questioning. The Special Operations Group comes under Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, who is also the state's Home Minister. This letter was seen as an affront by his deputy. That Ashok Gehlot was also going to be questioned was seen as just a cover. Investigations are based on tapped phone conversations of two BJP leaders, which indicated a move to topple the Congress government by luring MLAs to the BJP. And sources indicating that Sachin Pilot was very angry when he received this notice that you see on your screens right now, dated the 10th of July. Now, Sunil Prabhu joining us at this point with the latest on all of that, and we'll try and get Harsha Kumari Singh also up for us. Sunil, you've been tracking all the developments in Delhi. Sachin Pilot here now. It seems he could have met with some members of the leadership as well. What is it that we're hearing right now? Was it indeed this question Sachin letter, as it were, that finally pushed things to the brink, perhaps forcing him to come to Delhi? What are we hearing right now?
Well, Ankita, I must update you on a few facts that we were hoping that there was some possibility of talks. But what we have been made to understand now is that those talks that had taken place were at least 9 days ago. And everything was conveyed from the Congress President, Sonia Gandhi, to Mr. Sachin Pilot. Just to inform our viewers that there has been active discussion by the BJP, not only in Madhya Pradesh, but in Rajasthan before the lockdown took place. And it was in that context with the Rajya Sabha elections as the trigger to see and engineer some kind of breakthrough. At that time, if you recall, there was resort politics that had been started. And then again, during the run-up to the Rajya Sabha elections, that was again, once again, re-emphasized. What we have been made to understand from our sources is that Sachin Pilot, as you rightly said, has been and is quite desperate to become Chief Minister of the state. There has been an ego issue between Mr. Ashok Gehlot and him. Mr. Sachin Pilot claims that he has the support of at least 16 MLAs along with 3 independents. And it's in that context that he's been in active touch with the BJP. The BJP, we are told, has made it absolutely clear that there is no question of him becoming Chief Minister. First, he needs to ensure that the Ashok Gehlot government becomes a minority. An attempt like the Madhya Pradesh formula of trying to see one way or the other the Ashok Gehlot government is brought to a minority like it did for the Kamal Nath government is on the cards. This, of course, is dependent on Mr. Sachin Pilot delivering the goods. Mr. Sachin Pilot, we attempted to speak to him a number of times, has been incommunicado, unable to reach to get his version of the story. But definitely from the top Congress sources, there is clearly a breakdown of discussions. As I said, the BJP has been very, very keen on Mr. Sachin Pilot to come on board along with with his MLAs, make the Ashok Gehlot government a minority. But it is totally dependent, and they're not clear that he will become Chief Minister, something that he's quite adamant upon. So these are, of course, protracted negotiations that are taking place. The Congress leadership, in the meanwhile, is trying to reach out to Sachin Pilot to find a way forward to see if things can be sorted out. But definitely, things are amiss both in the Congress as well as the Rajasthan unit in terms of how they want to go forward.